In this data analytics series, we are going to learn about basic data formatting. To create an Excel workbook, just go on to folder, right click, create new, click on Microsoft Excel worksheet. So this can be renamed as format. Just click on this and have the workbook open. So in this workbook, we can see the sheet 1. If you want to add multiple sheets, on the whole it is called workbook. The pages are called the sheets. If you want to add multiple sheets, just click on this plus symbol, so the multiple sheets can be added. The sheets can be renamed. Click on the sheet, right click, rename. It can be written as data 1. The sheet 2, just click on data 2. If the sheets has to be removed, then click on this, right click and delete. So there are some alphabets are called columns. Just click on this. This is called column B, column C. And we have the numbers, which is called rows. On the whole, the column and the rows forms as table. Suppose this box, the boxes are called the cells. So this box is represented as B3 because we have the column B and the row 3. So it is called B3. If I need to enter some data, have this is the data that I have. This needs to be formatted because it has the column that is quite shrinked and it is not in a way that it is very it is not looking like the formatted data. So if the data need to be formatted, just click on the first row and press shift and the last row. So this is the first cell and click on shift and press the last cell. So all the data will be selected. If you just need to select a particular row, suppose the second row and the 10th row needs to be selected, then press on control, click 10. So only these two rows will be selected. So now on the whole, the table needs to be formatted. So I just click on first row and the last row, pressing shift. This has a border, so click on this part. We will have all borders, so you'll have all these borders. And if it needs to be the column width needs to be adjusted and the row width is to be adjusted, click on format row height. So already it is 14.4, so if you just give 21, then click OK. So you could see that the row width is adjusted. In the same way, click on format and column width. Already it was represented as 8.11. Now if you can just give to 14, so the column width will be adjusted. Manually also it can be adjusted. When you click over here, you could see the plus symbol. You just move on, so the column width can be adjusted. We can see the format as table ribbon over here. Click on here and click some formatting designs. So if I click this, it says there is a data from A1 to B16. So this is A1 to B16. The data is there and my table has headers. If you just tick this, then it would identify that the first row will have the headers. So click, the data is formatted. So here you could see there is a total row, option is unselected. If you just click on select, the total value will be displayed. If you don't need the total value, you can just click on here. The drop down will be available, where you can select the drop down. You can select average. So the average value of this recovery will be displayed. If you want to select count, the count value will be displayed. So this is all about the basic data formatting.